All right, my social media followers, we have today this 2020 Nissan Pathfinder. We are working on the timing chain replacement. This is a 3.5 liter V6 engine, and here we are doing the timing chain replacement. So if you are looking for someone here in North Houston to do your timing chain replacement, you can give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291. As you see here, we got this 2020 Nissan Pathfinder with the 3.5 liter. So you can give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291 for any timing chain replacement on this Nissan Pathfinder 3.5 liter V6. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.